If I lost everything tomorrow, no money, no audience, no contacts, no assets. In 2026, I wouldn't look for a job. I wouldn't update my CV. I wouldn't find stability. I would build leverage immediately, because in 2026, income is fragile, skills are temporary, but leverage compounds. And if you don't understand this shift, you'll spend the next 5 years working harder while someone else scales faster. Let me show you exactly what I would do, step by step. First, accept this. The game has changed. AI reduced execution cost to near zero. Distribution is global. Competition is infinite, which means hard work is no longer rare. Access to tools is no longer rare. Information is no longer rare. What's rare? Attention, positioning, ownership. If I start from zero in 2026, I don't chase income. I build assets. Income feeds survival. Assets create freedom. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people rebuild their old life. I would build a scalable one. Step 1 is simple. Generate cash flow quickly, not perfectly, quickly. I would pick one monetizable skill, use AI to accelerate it, sell outcome, not time. For example, copywriting, automation setup, short-form content editing, AI workflow consulting. Not because it's glamorous, because it creates liquidity. Speed matters more than pride. Cash flow buys time. Time allows strategy. Most people waste months planning. I would optimize for speed. While generating cash flow, I build distribution immediately. YouTube, short-form platforms, newsletter, one niche, one clear positioning. Why? Because attention is leverage. If you own distribution, you don't beg for opportunities, you create them. In 2026, distribution is more valuable than credentials. No audience equals no leverage. Even 1,000 loyal people is power. Once cash flow is stable and distribution is growing, I build one scalable asset, not 10, one. Examples: digital product, niche course, paid community, AI-based micro tool, data-driven newsletter. The rule: build once, improve continuously, sell infinitely. This is where most people fail. They stay in service mode forever. Services create income. Assets create leverage. Now I remove myself. AI handles research, drafting, customer support, optimization, repurposing content. The goal isn't to work less. It's to decouple income from hours. If I stop working for 30 days, does income stop? If yes, you don't have leverage yet. In 2026, survival is income. Wealth is systems. Once profit appears, I don't inflate lifestyle, I allocate capital into equity, AI-driven companies, broad market exposure, cash reserves for opportunity. Because labour income is taxed by time, capital income compounds. The final level of leverage is ownership, and ownership is what protects you from disruption. But here's the real difference. Most people starting from zero feel fear. I would feel clarity, because starting from zero removes illusion. No false security, no comfort trap, just leverage building. The 2026 advantage isn't technical, it's psychological. Can you delay comfort? Can you resist lifestyle inflation? Can you build systems instead of chasing salary? That's the real question. And here's something most people won't tell you. If you follow this strategy consistently for 3 to 5 years, you won't just rebuild, you'll redesign your life. Most people want stability, few want leverage, but leverage is what creates stability, paradoxically. If this video shifted your thinking, don't just watch. Act, pick one monetizable skill, start building distribution this week. Create your first asset within 90 days. And if you want deeper breakdowns on leverage, AI strategy, and wealth psychology, subscribe. Because the next 5 years will reward builders, not employees. And if you had to start from zero tomorrow, would you actually know what to do?